You want to be in the photo as well, Molly? It's a little bit breezy up here, isn't it, Molly? Okay, well, the time has come. I've made a decision. You may have seen in the last couple of videos I've got an FE35 GoldBelly. I've brought that and I made the decision to sell my TA20. I've had this for 4 years. I brought it as soon as we brought our lifestyle block. Such a great little tractor, but the FE35 does what the TA20 does and more. So we've decided we're going to sell the TA. It's going to be a hard day when it does sell, so I've brought it up here to take some photos to put on the marketplace and see how that goes. Nice backdrop for it, out in the middle of a paddock, couple of cows, we've got hills in the background, should make for some good photos, which you just saw me take. It was a hard decision, but we don't have the means for 2 tractors. Like I say, the FE35 does everything and more what I need it to do. So yeah, the time has come. It's a 1954 TA20 Ferguson, little petrol motor. There's tons of videos of it on my channel. It's been a great little tractor and it's going to be great for someone else. Perfect for their lifestyle block, gardening chores, whatever. It's really, really good. But a couple of things that I have used this for recently, i.e. moving these heavy baleage bales, it has struggled with. It's just a little bit small. The FE35 that I have now does it with ease. So that was the deal breaker, whether I continue to keep this or buy the FE35. I've bought the FE35. We're going to sell the TA20. It's a really, really nice, clean, old original tractor. All I've done to it in my ownership, I've done a couple of oil changes, obviously kept up with greasing all the joins, and I've put a new starter motor in it. Apart from that, I haven't touched it. I haven't had to. It's just so reliable. That's why I was hesitating to sell it, but we don't really have the room to store it, and like I say, the means for 2 tractors. So I just thought I'd just come on and do a quick video with you guys saying, hey, look, we're going to be selling the TA20. So this tractor won't be on the channel for much longer, but don't worry. The FE35 is just starting. There's going to be plenty more of that tractor on my channel. I will also say this tractor here has brought a lot of subscribers to my channel. So hopefully if you guys see it, don't unsubscribe because I don't have the TA20 anymore. I still have the FE35 Ferguson GoldBelly, and that's not going anywhere soon. That is the upgrade from the TA20. Don't forget to check out my channel for other TA20 videos of mine, this tractor at work, and also some fresh current FE35 GoldBelly videos, and there'll be plenty more of them to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.